That truck, I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing. Thinking about maybe taking the dump box off, taking the actual box off, and putting a flat deck on this thing. This is my plow truck. And it pushes this 9'2" Boss V-Plow. This has to be fixed today. I broke off the oil reservoir fill tube, which is plastic, so I have to get that out of there. I have a replacement to put in, which is brass, thankfully. Do a quick service on the plow today, get that all going for tonight. This thing needs a full service. I've owned this for about, I guess I'm on my 3rd year with it. Awesome machine. I can't believe I waited so long to buy one. This thing is just it's the greatest thing in the world, I think. Sure beats digging by hand. Yeah, this needs a full service. I loaned my flat deck to a friend for his machine, and so I didn't have my flat deck here to get the excavator home to do the service. I ended up buying a dump trailer, I think last week. It's a 7x14, 14,000 pound trailer, and me being a dummy, I loaded that excavator, which weighs about 9,500 pounds, into this trailer to get it home. And I didn't put any supports underneath. Well, I put one support, but I put it here in the center, right here, instead of putting it under like some load points, which are right there at the sides. I put one right in the center because I didn't have enough dunnage with me, timber, and I bent this this 2x4 tubing. So that was me being a dummy. That's not the trailer's fault. The trailer's awesome. I was thinking about buying an actual dump truck, but just didn't really make sense. I don't have a lot of room here for parking, and the neighbors are starting to the neighbors are really polite, but they're starting to say the odd thing about how much stuff I have here. Where was I? Oh yeah, scrambling to beat the winter. And I leave it so long every year. I do it all the time. I get so busy, and I don't take the time in the summer to prep. That's gonna change. So obviously, a bunch of rocks here, I can move those, but it's kind of in a bad position to hook up with the plow truck. Plus it doesn't have enough oil in it because I knocked off the elbow. So I got to carry this thing to the shop, just a better access for tools. But of course, in my flat deck is all my chains. So this thing is a kind of a pain to lift with the excavator because there's no real center point to lift from. So I think I'm going to weld this on, give myself a nice lifting lug. I'm going to try and do this with the camera in one hand and the stinger in the other. I don't know how well I'm going to do. Well, let's give it a try. That's one. There, that'll do. Yep, this thing's getting a flat deck. I ain't climbing in that box again. Little dump box. You're gone too. For sale, if anybody wants. For now. All right, we got to move some vehicles around. Get that truck and trailer out of there. Get that truck out of there. We'll talk to you in a bit. All right. Plow's in front of the shop. Machine's in front of the shop. Everything's parked over there where it should be. See if we can fix this plow. Much. Ooh. Look at that. This is the replacement part from Boss. Brass, way better. That crappy plastic. All right. There we go. not bad. I think I want to fix this too. And that weld is broken as well. I'll fix that one up too. I think that'll be all right. Oh, fire. All right, that's all fixed up. Time to buff off that weld, give it a little shot of paint, hook it up to the truck, and that's ready.